In the following video, I'm going to show you how to delete a WordPress theme. So first we'll log into WordPress dashboard, then hover over the appearance section on the left, and then click on themes. In this page, you'll see all the themes which are available in your website. In my case, there's Neve as an active theme, and as well I have two inactive themes. One of them is 2020 and 2022. So if you want to delete an inactive theme, all you have to do is just hover over the theme, click on theme details, and then click on delete, and then confirm the selection. And the theme should be removed from the website. But if you want to delete an active theme, in my case Neve, what I have to do is make the Neve theme inactive, and to do so you have to activate any other theme which is available in your website. So let's activate 2020, which will ultimately make Neve theme inactive. So as you can see, now I can click on theme details and then simply click delete theme and confirm it. And that's pretty much it. This is how you delete theme in WordPress. So I hope you found this short tip useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.